A relentless green ocean stretches across South America, pulsing with moisture and sound. Rumbling thunder rolls through the distance, shaking the canopy. Like the heartbeat of a storm that never truly ends. Beneath the swelling clouds, two unblinking eyes break the surface. Ancient, patient, ready. No matter the hour or the rain. For more than 50 million years, this living labyrinth has drawn carbon from the air and exhaled oxygen that sustains nearly every creature on the planet. Each leaf a solar panel, each root a lung. Together, they form the most powerful biological engine on Earth. The Amazon rainforest. Covering over 2 million square miles, it shelters 1 in every 10 species known to science. Some never touch the ground in their lifetime. Others thrive in soil so dark that light has never reached them. This unrelenting place shapes our entire planet's weather, protects its carbon vault, and nourishes rivers still deciding their own borders. But the same sky that gives life can take it. Storms tear trees from their roots, and lightning ignites infernos that consume what the rain once fed. But this world is an unstoppable force. It simply can't be destroyed or defeated. It's just too wild to be tamed.